With this, the new BMW X4, we're going to add another strong character to our already quite strong line of X vehicles. This year, we're going to launch more cars than ever before in our history under the BMW brand. And in design, we took this as an opportunity to completely renew the design language for the BMW brand. We're going to make it simpler, we're going to make the cars stronger in character and more distinct from one another. BMW also intends to grow at the very top end of its portfolio in the luxury segment. And how we are going to do that, we intend to show you here today in Geneva with one more vehicle.
I would sum it up. The BMW Group drives its own story. We are clearly focused on a successful future. We will win the fight. Thank you all for coming. Merci beaucoup. Herzlichen Dankeschön fürs Kommen. Ich wünsche Ihnen noch eine tolle Messe. The BMW Group welcomes you. Thank you.